I'm Dr. Alison Mello, and I created the Integer Beaded Number Line to help students capitalize on what they learn in elementary school about number lines in a way that's concrete and representational for integers. I love this because students can see the negatives and the positives. We can use it both horizontally and vertically. We can do absolute value, opposites, addition, subtraction, but regardless of what we use, the three most important things are we have to think about the language of opposites, positives and negatives, and direction on the number line. We need to think about having the object in front of them so kids can manipulate it instead of just rules to remember, and we have to add context. So if I owed you $3, that's a -3, and then I borrowed 3 more, now I owe you $6. They can just see it instead of having to remember which rule to use. This has changed my life in so many ways, and if you put two of them together, this way and this way, you can even make a coordinate.